What's going on in the kitchen tonight?
We've gone on the web and I found a black bean and quinoa enchilada bake. So we're gonna cook this up. And here's all of our ingredients. We have onions, garlic, lime, Daya cheese, a couple of spices, corn. I already diced up some peppers, black beans.
Now, Roscoe, tell us about the issue you had with the black beans earlier.
Well, I had black beans, but they were cooked in lard. And lard is an animal byproduct, so you weren't allowed to have them, so we had to go get beans and we made sure there was no lard. All right, 1 cup of uncooked quinoa, rinsed.
Now, Roscoe, have you ever used quinoa before?
No, I've never cooked it ever, honestly. I've eaten it, I've had it before, it's been made for me, but I've never done it myself.
You've never cooked quinoa, so there's a certain way you have to cook it, you know that, right?
Nope, I'm just gonna go by the instructions here. So it says 1 cup of quinoa, and it says rinsed. So how is this gonna work? Uh-oh, that's a mess. That's a mess. I don't know how you rinse quinoa. Do you?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me?
Okay, so what you do is take it, put it in
boiling water?
Oh, it's already boiling?
Yes.
Okay, well, you know what? Let's not worry about rinsing it. It's fine. But right. Ross, when you put it in there, you put it in and then you're going to turn it down and you're going to let it cook itself and you're not going to open the lid again.
Right.
All right, good boy. That's good, Roscoe.
Reduce the heat.
To almost nothing, actually.
Put the lid on it.
Reduce the heat down even more, even more, even more.
More?
Yeah, even more.
There's not even a flame.
Yeah, there's... Good. Now we just leave it like that.
Okay.
And let it cook. Now what's going in here, Roscoe?
All the peppers and onions.
Roscoe, do you feel better that tonight, you didn't go through Burger King, you didn't go through Mickey D's, Harvey's, or Wendy's. Instead, you decided to come home and...
I haven't gone to any of those places in well over a week. So now we have to put in 1 can of beans, add the quinoa and black beans. We got to add the quinoa here.
How'd that quinoa turn out, Roscoe?
Pretty good. I'm going to turn this down because this is cooked.
Oh, Roscoe's burning the vegetables now.
No.
Oh, he's doing good. You're doing good, Roscoe. You're balancing a lot. Stay focused, Roscoe. Stay focused. That's a lot of quinoa.
Okay, I'm going to add this in. We haven't put the cheese in yet. Daya cheese.
Now, it's actually pronounced...
Daya.
You had a bunch of people in the comments last time correcting you.
Daya cheese. I am standing corrected on, instead of calling it Dila, I think I called it, or Daya, or Dia.
You called it Daya. But Roscoe, you don't want to anger the vegans, right?
No. Pour an enchilada sauce, 2 cups. It's coming around, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta have just a little small sampler. Delicious. Oh, no, wait, hold it. You have to cover it with tin foil. 20 minutes covered, 10 minutes uncovered at 350, and then we're eating. Quite tasty. It tastes exactly how I thought it would taste.
Is it delicious or is it just okay?
It's good. It's good. It's a good meal.
You seem a little disappointed.
It needs more cheese.
Needs more cheese, eh?
Yeah. Maybe more beans. There's too much quinoa. Well, actually, as I'm getting into it, it's quite delicious.
You were saying, it would go well in a burrito, right?
Maybe if we wrapped it up in a burrito or something, that might be good too. Didn't call for that in the recipe, but as I'm getting into it, the flavors are coming around. It's quite delicious, actually.
Excellent.